Let's talk about wine. I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is Winc. If you don't know what Winc is, they are a wine subscription service that delivers bottles right to your door every single month. I started getting into wine over the last year or two, and I know how intimidating it can be to learn about wine and try and figure out what you like and what a good bottle is. Winc takes out the intimidation of trying new bottles. You can go on their site. You start with a super fun 1-minute quiz that gets to know your preferences and your tastes so that they can properly recommend you wine that you'll like. Being able to have wine shipped directly to your door every single month is just the most convenient thing in the world. And for somebody who loves wine and loves trying new wines, it's just literally the best thing ever for me. It's like a present every time it shows up at my door. This one is one of my favorites. I've had this before, and look how cute the label is. Also, important to note, there's no membership fees. You can also skip a month or cancel your membership at any time. They're very flexible. And if you don't absolutely love one of the bottles that they send over, they will replace it for you. If you guys want to try out Winc, you can click the link in my bio and get 4 bottles of wine for $24.95, which is a steal. This could all be yours for $24.95. That's like, are you running to the description box to click the link? I hope so, because that's a steal. I'm giving you delicious wine at an insane price. I guess Winc is giving you wine at an insane price, so thank you, Winc. Plus, you guys got free shipping, of course. Can't leave you hanging on that. I think after all of this talking about wine, I need to pour myself a glass. Cheers. Mm.